Hello everyone, welcome to Vasol Tarot Prediction, guys. Okay, this is not a tarot readings video. This is for one important thing. Okay, we have a solar eclipse in India on 10th of June 2021, and this is a very powerful solar eclipse. This is the first solar eclipse of the year. Okay, so you will get a chance to fulfill your wishes, your 7 desires, your 7 wishes on this solar eclipse. If you get a chance, then try this remedy out, okay guys, because this is a very special remedy. I'm going to do it. If you can do it by yourself, okay guys. But yes, just 1 minute. Okay, so for this ritual, it's called as solar eclipse ritual for wish fulfillment. Okay, solar eclipse ritual for wish fulfillment on 10th of June 2021. What you guys need for this remedy, okay, for this special remedy, wish fulfillment remedy, okay, trust me, this is very powerful remedy. If you'll try it out, you'll get results 100, not even 100 to 100%. By the next year you will get to know that what all your wishes came true. Okay, so I'm telling you what all you need. You need one glass, okay, one glass like this. Okay, you might be having it at your house, one glass like this. Okay, clean it with salt, okay, or sage, okay, before using it. Okay, so yeah, and dry it out. Okay, one glass. And what you need, sea salt, not the regular salt, sea salt. Okay, so I'm using it just for sample, guys. Okay, sea salt, white color. Okay, you know what else you need? Whole cloves. These are the cloves. Okay, this is also known as long in Hindi. Okay, so whole cloves, this you need 7 cloves. Okay, 7 cloves. You can also google it what whole cloves means to you. Okay, cloves, cloves. Okay, you need one lemon. You can take big size lemon. I'm just showing it for the sample. That's why I'm using it a small lemon, because I don't want to waste it. Okay, that's the thing. One knife. Okay, and if you have a brown paper, that would be really good. Brown paper. Okay, I would suggest you to use the lighter paper, lighter color paper, which we get for envelopes and all. Okay, so you can use a lighter brown color paper. If you don't have that, then you can use plain paper, like white plain paper, A4 size, which we use it in printing. Okay, so yeah, that's the thing. So white plain paper, and all you need is pencil. Okay, this is the pencil. So I'm going to show you that how to do this ritual. This is a very powerful ritual, guys. Okay, and if you are serious about it, do it. I'm telling you, because trust me, you are going to I just don't want to tell you. You just try it out. You will see the results by your own. Okay, so yeah, let me put a camera like this so that you will be able to see it. Okay, so yeah, I hope this is visible to you. Okay, so yeah. Okay, so this is a glass. Okay, what you need to do is you need a pen, pencil and a paper. Okay, 1 minute, guys, let me fix it. Okay guys, so this is the paper. Okay, brown paper, and this is a glass which we are using. Okay, I hope this is visible to you. So what you need to do, you need to cut this paper, okay, into half. Okay, fold it into half. I'm just showing you like this so that it will be visible to you. Put it in the half. Okay, yes, put it in the half. People ask me a lot of questions in the comment box, so I just try to be very clear about the videos. Okay, so this I have kept it aside, and I'm going to use this one. Okay, now what you need to do, you need to cut the edges of it. Okay, edges like this. You need to cut the edges of it, a slight edges, so that it should not be machine cut. Okay, I always show you in all my remedies to cut the edges if possible. Okay, so yeah. Okay, cut the edges like this. Okay, wow, cut the edges, guys. Do not try to cut fully, okay, try to cut the small edges. Okay, so there I have cut it all the edges from all the four sides. Okay, there's no machine cut, you can see. Okay, now you have to keep it like this, like rectangly towards you. Okay, since I'm showing you, it will be like, you know, different for different people. Okay, I'm just okay, so this is the pencil. Okay, now what you need to write. Okay, I am a right hand person. Okay, so how we write? From left to right. Okay, I'm a right handy. Okay, if you are a lefty, then also you need to write from left to right. Okay, that is how we usually write. Okay, so from left to right we will write. Okay, all our wishes. So there has to be seven desires. Okay, but before that, what you need to do, you need to rub this paper with your own energies. Rub it like this. Rub it so that this will have your own energies. Okay, you need to rub this paper with your own energies. Okay, so yeah, rub it nicely. Okay, so this paper will get activated with your energies. Okay, with your particular energies. Now what you need to do, you have to write it from left to right, all the seven desires, seven wishes, any specific seven wishes which you need to write it in the petition. This is the petition which we are making for your wishes. Okay, so what you need to write: first wish, I want to fix my relationship. Okay, this can be the first desire. Okay, now the second one, I want to become a successful billionaire. Okay, the second wish. Now the third wish, I want let's say, I want my children's to be protected. Okay, third wish. Now the fourth one, I want to find the love of my life. Fourth one. Okay, I want to let's say, I want my business to grow every single day. Okay, this is fifth wish. And sixth wish, I want to be a successful entrepreneur. Okay, let's say this was the sixth wish. Now the seventh, I want to travel 192 countries around the world. Okay, this was the seven wish. Okay, so that, let's say this was the seven wish. Okay, for you. Now what you need to do, you need to take it. Okay, and you have to turn it towards you and in the half. Okay, just one fold is needed. You have taken this petition and you have turned it towards you. Okay, the writing, whatever you have written, it should be inside. Okay, not outside. Okay, this petition is very big, by the way. Okay, you can take the small one. Okay, so yeah, this petition is very big. Okay, you can just be like a small one, but I'm just telling you that if you really wish to, I just want to tell you that if you really wish to have a small paper, then you can have it. Okay, I have taken it big one. I would suggest you to take a small one. Okay guys, that would be really better. Okay, so yeah, just give me some time. Let's say this is the small one. Okay, you can take this size of paper. Okay, I have taken the big one. Okay, but you can take this size of paper, and I have written it, all the petition over here. Okay, and I have folded towards towards me, and you have kept it into this glass. Okay, like this. Okay, let's see, in the glass I have kept it like this. Now what you need to do, you need to put the salt. You need to cover the petition basically. Okay, this is just used for the sample thing. Okay guys, this is not something which like I'm not going to waste salt of my house for showing this remedy. So this is, you need to cover this fully, okay, like till here, till here, till this, till this you need to cover it with the salt, okay, till this, okay, like you have to cover it fully with the salt till here, okay. It's just a sample, that's why I'm showing you, okay. So now what you need to do, you need to take a plate and a knife and lemon, okay. Now here is the lemon, how you need to cut. Here is the first corner and here is the second corner, correct, okay. So what you need to do, when you need to cut it like this should be here, the first corner is here only, so you need to cut like this, okay. If this is visible to you, I hope this is visible to you, okay. Cut it from the middle, okay. Yeah, very good. Wow, okay. So you have to take this one part, this one, the first half, okay, this part where this the top is there, the top is there, you have to take this part. And what you need to do, you need to put it into the glass, okay. You need to, let me tell you, you need to dig it when this salt will be till up, no, like it will be fully covered with the salt, this petition, okay. You won't be able to, you know, make an effort to dig it because it will automatically be inside of the salt, okay. So you have to keep it like this, okay. So you have to cover it fully with the salt till here, okay. Again I'm telling you, cover this fully petition which is visible. I'm not doing it, I'm just showing you it for the sample thing, okay. Cover this salt till you know, till here, okay. Full glass should be covered till with the help of salt, okay. And then put lemon like this, the outside should be like this and the inside, the yellow part should be inside of the salt, okay. Now what you need to do, you need to take the whole cloves, okay. How you need to put it, okay, it will take an effort. 1, okay, 2, okay, 3, okay. Salt is not there much, that's why it's looking like that, and the lemon is also small. You can take the big lemon, okay. This is just for a sample thing, okay. So yeah, you have to you know, you have to dig it inside those cloves. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. It will take an effort, okay, but yeah, once it will get digged inside, no, it will not be like outside thing, okay, okay, okay. You need to take big lemon and it should be filled with fully, it should be filled with salt, okay. So yeah, this is for a temporary period, I am showing just for a sample, guys, okay. Do not tell me how you have done it, okay. So you have to keep it like this, and it should be like all the 7 cloves should be like this, it should be digged it inside, okay, completely like this, okay. Since I have less salt, so I am just telling you that it has to be filled like till here, okay, like till here, okay. And 1 second here, okay. So the salt should be till here, and you have to take big lemon, okay. This is just for sample, so you have to, what you have done, you have taken the lemon and you have put in 7 cloves, you have digged it in the lemon, okay. The top part of the cloves should be up and the the stick should be inside of the lemon, so you have digged it into the lemon thing, okay. See this, okay. Now what you need to do, okay, what you need to do, as I always tell you, rub your hands, rub your hands, rub your hands, okay. Rub your hands and keep it into this glass like this, and ask the universe and guardian angels and ancestors to fulfill your wishes. Okay, whatever you have written in that petition which is inside, whatever 7 wishes and desires you have written with the help of pencil on that petition, you have to speak it out loudly. Okay, so what I wish, I ask my ancestors, universe and guardian angels, that I want to fix my relationship, I want to fix my money problem, I want to um, I want to protect my children's, I want to grow my money, I want to become a billionaire, I want to buy a new home. Whatever 7 desires, whatever you have written in the petition, only those 7 lines, 7 desires or 7 wishes, you need to repeat it. Okay, you cannot speak it something else. Whatever you have written in the petition, only those things you can speak it. Okay, if you have not written something in the petition and you want to speak it, you cannot do it. Okay, so think your desires first and only then do it. Okay, so I want to become a billionaire, I want my own house, I want my own car, I want to have a good business success, I want to become a successful entrepreneur. Whatever 7 desires, whatever you have written into the petitions, you have to write it down. Okay, so yeah guys. Okay, so speak it loudly and repeat it 3 times, 2 to 3 times, that I ask my universe, guardian angels and ancestors that I want to become a successful entrepreneur, I want to fix my relationship, I want to find a new love, I want to own my new car, I want to own my new house, I want to become I want my money should grow, I want my business should grow every single day. So whatever 7 desires you have, you can repeat it thrice, 1 time, 2 time and 3 times. You can repeat it 3 times. Okay, and you have done it once, you have meditated on it, once you have taken time for it, once you have spoken your desires, whatever you have written in the petition, you have spoken it verbally to the universe. Then what you need to do, you need to put this glass, okay, outside your home, okay, or in the porch, or in the backyard, or in the front yard of the house. Okay, outside your house, wherever sunlight is coming, you have to put it outside. Okay, so yes, wherever sunlight is coming, you have to put it outside of your house. Okay, in the porch, in the front yard, in the backyard, anywhere. Okay, where you need to, when do you want to do this ritual, you have to do this ritual at 10 a.m. Not 10 a.m. basically at 12 a.m. midnight of 10th of July, like when 9th of July is when 9th of June 2021 is getting completed, the day of the 9th of June is getting over, and the 10th of June is starting at 12 a.m. midnight. 10th of June 2021 is starting. You have to do it in the midnight at 12 a.m. In the midnight. Okay, starting of 10th of June 2021. Okay, you have to do it for 24 hours. Like, you have to do this ritual for 10 minutes. Within 10 minutes this ritual will get completed. You have to keep this glass outside of your house, outside your porch, outside the veranda. Then you need to come inside. Okay, leave it there, leave it outside your house only for 24 hours. Okay, when you need to take back this glass, you have to take this glass back on 11th of June 2021. That means the next day of solar eclipse. Okay, 10th June is the solar eclipse in India. Okay, so you have to take this glass back on 11th of June 2021 at 7 a.m. early morning. 7 a.m. early morning. Okay, take this glass back into your house. And where you need to keep this glass, you have to keep this glass in your bedroom, somewhere high in your house. Okay, basically I would prefer that keep it in your bedroom. Okay, if not, if you don't want that someone should see it, then keep it in the drawing room, keep it in the hall, somewhere, okay, where people doesn't see it, okay, but keep it somewhere high, okay, like we have floors upstairs, okay, like we have we put showcases or piece showcase, or some things, some things upstairs, like you have to keep it high up in your room, okay, in your bedroom, high up. If not bedroom, somewhere which no one can see it, but somewhere high you have to keep it, okay, somewhere on the top you have to keep it, top of the cupboard of your wardrobe, top of your let's say uh, living room, top of your something it might be there, okay. So yeah, on the top of the let's say place, you have to keep it somewhere top, somewhere high top, you have to keep it. For how long you have to keep this? You have to keep this for a month, okay, like from 11th of June 2021, okay, you bring this glass back, okay, then you have to keep it somewhere high up, okay, in your bedroom, and then you have to keep it for 1 month, for 1 month. Like you have to take this glass down, you have to take this glass back on 11th of July 2021, correct, after 1 month, okay, on 11th of July 2021 you can take this glass back, okay. Take your poly bag, okay, any poly bag, black color, white color, any empty poly bag, put all those whatever remains are there, put all those lemon, salt, petition in that bag, okay, fold it twice or thrice, okay. Don't throw the glass, okay, don't throw the glass, otherwise your mom will throw you out, okay. So just throw all the remains in the paper bag or like any polythene, okay, and throw it outside, like we get the dustbin thing over there, okay, or somewhere outside in the dustbin, like outside of the society or outside of the colony, you can throw it out. Or we get like running vans for our garbage collection, okay, so throw it into that, that's the best part, okay, throw it, that polythene of this remains into that, and you can clean this glass again, okay. Do not use it for any other purpose, but you can clean it again with sage and with salt, white salt and sage, and you can keep it into your house, that's not an issue. Do not throw this glass, it can be reused as well, okay. So yeah, this was a solar eclipse ritual, guys. This was like very heavy ritual, but trust me, it's a very powerful ritual. It is like it's an icing on a cake, okay, to be honest. It will fulfill all your wishes, like within next 1 year you'll see most of your wishes coming true. It's a very solid wish fulfillment ritual, okay, and very less people do it, but I would suggest you, if you can do it, that would be really good. And I'm telling you that this is very important, okay. So yes, this was just a small sample of you guys, okay, and I hope you like this ritual. I hope this was helpful to you. Do this ritual, share it on the comment box, share your pictures, okay, if you have done, share the videos if you have done of this ritual, okay. And yes, that's it, okay. I hope you like it. If there are two people, okay, you have to do it separately, individually, okay. Don't do it together, joint account should not be there, okay. Do your ritual individually, okay, for yourself, okay, for your own, okay. You don't need to do it into joint account with someone else, okay. So yes, I hope you like this ritual, solar eclipse ritual. It's like it's a once in a lifetime opportunity, okay. I was waiting to do this ritual, but solar eclipse was not there, so I couldn't do it. I'm telling you, I was very excited to show this ritual, okay. So do this ritual, and I'm very sure that you will be very, very, very happy after doing this ritual, and you'll see that things will start improving. Just one important thing, this is you have to keep this glass for 1 month, okay. So you can take back this on 11th of July 2021. You can throw all the remains outside, and then you have to clean this glass, okay. That's the thing, okay. Do not forget about it. So yeah, this This ritual is very powerful. I hope you like this ritual. I hope this was very helpful to you guys, and I hope that this has, this was an important ritual. Okay, do it and comment down below who all have done this ritual. Okay, so I hope you like this. Kindly like, share and subscribe guys. Bye bye, take care.